gonna decorate the Christmas tree and our whole house, okay? So let's get starting.
I'm second class, so she's fourth class.
My name is Tanvi and her name is Adya.
Yeah.
Now here is our Christmas tree. Now let's decorate. Adya, go and get the ornaments.
Right away.
Now here is our ornaments box. Now let's open it. Okay, now we open. Now I'm gonna show you what ornaments are there. There are different kinds of ornaments. One are the balls one. There are 4 of them.
Oh wow, nice.
One is the Christmas Santa one. And these are bells.
Ooh, and it's also a reindeer, so cool.
Yeah. Oh, here is yellow star, pink star, and another pink star,
And a drum.
and another pink star.
And this is the hat of Santa.
And this is Santa again. Drums. And the reindeer.
Yeah. Kind of.
And more drums. Ooh, a Merry Christmas thing. Ooh, a sparkly diamond one.
Yeah. And the gift one.
Wow, this is amazing. So adorable.
Another gift. There are
Oh,
4 gifts.
yellow color cover.
There's so many. And a reindeer again.
The same way.
Ooh. So our boxes are empty.
This is our DIY Santa ornament. Today morning I made this for my school. So it's so amazing and I love this one, and I even kept googly eyes. So let's hang them.
Don't forget, we are probably almost late.
Yeah. I'm gonna hang this one, this ball,
Shall I
on
hang?
my Christmas tree.
So shine and polish.
Here is our hanging ball.
Another one is there.
This is the gray one. It looks like silver.
So, here's the Santa.
Not now. We can keep this golden one. It's so amazing.
And don't forget this pink one. So shimmer and shine.
Go there. Here we hang the pink one.
There's no handles at the Santa.
Halfway through. Okay, I'm gonna hang this bell on the Christmas tree.
And don't forget another bell. There are 2 bells for some reason.
And another bell.
And don't forget that drums are not glued. And another Merry Christmas.
I'm gonna keep this Merry Christmas here. There we go.
Don't forget we have one more decoration.
Now I'm gonna decorate.
Don't forget the last of all.
Now I'm gonna keep this in here.
And this. And this look. That's enough for the Christmas decorations. We have a lot of decorations to do.
So I'm gonna keep this thing. The Merry Christmas again. Now our Christmas tree is done. Now let's go to other decorations. This is a ginormous star. Now let's open it. Now we are done. The ginormous star.
Wow, this is so awesome.
Now you can keep it here.
Now we have a last surprise. A snowman.
A snowman. Now let's open it.
Ooh, that's amazing. Ooh, nice job, Sammy. Oh!
It's so adorable and so much glittery.
Now this snowman is cute. I love it.
Yeah, the cute eyes, the cute nose, the
Oh,
cute
it
little hat.
has the pom-poms.
Yeah, pom-pom hats. Let's decorate it near our Christmas tree. Here, let's decorate.
It looks adorable. I guess the snowman loves the Christmas tree.
Yeah. Now let's get some more. Now we switch off the lights. Now see our star.
Wow, it glows in the sky.
Yeah, it glows in the dark.
The walls are blue, so it means it's the sky. Wow, I can't even look away. Aren't these precious? Look at.
It's so precious and it's flying.
Yeah, it looks gorgeous, aren't it, guys? If you think it's gorgeous, you have to give us thumbs up.
Now we're done decorating. Look at these yummy treats. Here is popcorn, bundi, sweet, gulab jam, and a gift of course, and so many sweet. They are so yummy. If we see that, we want to eat them. I wish Santa will come and give our gifts.
Yeah, I guess so. I guess Father Christmas is not.
Santa will come and eat these yummy treats and give us some gifts.
Sweet,
Ho, ho, ho! How are you, my dear kids?
I'm your first try. Try this yummy food.
Wow, you made for me all these things?
Yes.
Oh, thank you, my kids.
And don't forget to leave us gifts.
Yeah. I'm here. I'm your Santa. I'm here for giving gifts.
This is the best.
Okay. This, wow, it's yummy.
Yummy. How do you think? Try these red and sweet.
Thank you for nice sweets.
Don't forget to try try the little.
Okay, I'll take to home. Okay, I have a gift for you. And you.
Yay!
I have a gift for you. This is for Adya. And this is for Sunny.
What it is?
And this is for Adya. This is for Sunny.
Thank you for the Christmas.
Okay, wish Merry Christmas.
Wish you too.
Let's sing a song. Jingle bell,
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride a wonderful day. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride a wonderful day. Now you can live for the
Okay, kids. I'll see you again next Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
I wish you all the best for next year.
Yay!
See you soon. Bye bye. Merry Christmas.
Let's open the gifts that Santa gave.
I guess what it is inside, but this is so
Amazing.
yeah. I can't take this. I want to open now. Wow, this is so.
Oh, this is amazing.
I guess.
I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna find out.
What are these? I don't know.
I don't know, but I'm gonna do this.
Another wrap. Oh dear, this will be there. This not even fun.
Wow, this is amazing. I want
Whoa, it's
way
whoa.
through.
What's these? The bus.
Wow, this is amazing.
Awesome.
Now let me show you. There is a small little ball and we need to throw inside. Then press this button and boom.
Can I try that? First, take the ball.
There's another one. With these toys, we will play and send you videos.
Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.
And share to anybody.
Bye bye.